Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix stem underscore api64.dll is missing in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Simply double tap it here to desktop if you have that. If you place the Google Chrome here to desktop, or you can simply use your button search bar here to search for Google Chrome. Click on open so that you would be able to be redirected here at the Google Chrome itself, where here you need to type this stem underscore api64.dll space download at the search bar. Once you have typed it, click on enter and wait until you are being redirected here at the results. And once you're here, proceed to the second one, which contains the free download of this zip file. Just have to wait until you are being redirected here. Okay. Now you would be able to see an option here which contains the download. Just have to click on it and close this ad. Okay. And just have to wait until you are being redirected here. Okay. So here you need to select what type of system do you have. Okay, just have to identify first what system do you have. It could be you have a 32-bit computer or you have a 64-bit computer. But mostly laptops, I mean most laptop users have a 64-bit computer. Now in order to check, just have to type for about your PC here at the button search bar. And the moment you've typed that a best match, which is a system settings called about your PC, will appear. Just have to click on open to proceed. And the moment you've the click on it, there you have that you'd be able to see the system type information that you have in your Windows. In my case, I have a 64-bit operating system and a time 64 base processor. That's why I'm gonna go with the 64-bit type of the file that we are going to download. Just have to click on the select option. Okay, and then scroll down and wait until a captcha which will verify if you're a human or not. Just have to click this box to check that. Okay, and just have to pick please click on the two elements that are identical. Okay, meaning that they have the same shapes. Okay, just have to select the identical one. Okay, and then click on next. And then it asks you again to select the two elements that are identical. Okay, meaning they have the same shape or appearance. Just have to click on verify. Okay, so here you need to close this ad. Okay, so let's just wait until this ad will be done. Close this ad, and then there the start download will be available for us. Simply click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the download end of this file. Okay, so it is still verifying. Just have to wait until we are going to be verified. Now the verification has been successful. Okay, just have to wait until the downloading of this stem underscore api64.dll will be done. Okay, so close this ad. Okay, and check if the file will be downloaded. Okay, in my case, it is marked done. Then once it is being done, close this and then close this window first. And then here, you need to open your file explorer. Okay. Now here you need to proceed to downloads where the downloaded file is being located to. I can see it here. Just have to select it and click this copy icon and then proceed to this PC. Okay. Now, once you are being here to this PC, you can see the devices and drives that you have. You need to select your C drive, click on Windows, double tap it, and then you need to scroll down and look for two folders. So the very first folder that we look to is this System32. Just have to double tap that. Do a right click here in this area, in this blank area, and then click the paste icon. So just have to click on continue to give permission and pasting the zip file. And once it is being pasted here, okay, I can see it is being pasted here. Just have to click this backward arrow. And this time you need to scroll down, continue and scrolling down and look for the second folder which is syswow64. Just have to double tap and then do a right click here at this blank area again and then click on continue and wait until the pasting will be done. So I can see it is being pasted here. Just have to close this window once all of once all of the file folders are being opened and once we have just pasted the file. And then here you need to click the start icon and then you need to restart your computer. Now there is a need to restart your computer to make any changes on the actions we have just performed earlier. Okay, so in order to make any changes, it is a must to restart your computer. So once you have relaunched it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.